Hello, honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen. We are codenamed IP09, Red Dragon, Dragon 1,
I'm Dragon 2.
And I am Dragon 3.
Based on UNWomen.org, there is 85% crimes against women. This causing them to become depressed, and so we will create an idea how to overcome crimes against women.
Okay, so the application is abusive current protection applications. The application is basically created for mobile applications because it will become more portable and easy to use. So the problems that are most commonly faced by crime regarding to the women is rape, abusive, sexual harassment, and snatch thief. So this four crime is usually heard from the social media, from the news, and so many more. So we are thinking that these problems can be reduced by creating one integrated system that not only can educate community and women how to react on something that might be lead to the crimes to the women.
Okay. The key partner of this application is first law enforcement, for example PDRM, and second is Ministry of Women Development, and third cyber commission agencies. Cyber commission agencies for avoid the fake report, and the last one is a non-government organization that want to cooperate with our company.
So basically, not all the innovations need to be created based on need to be created for get the so much profit. Some of them might need to help others because the world will be better with the reducing the crimes, especially for the women. So the law enforcement play roles here if the applications will be used by a person who are getting abusive or harassment, they can use these apps to contact the law enforcement such as PDRM that can come to the scenes immediately, because in these applications we are using GPS API and also camera API to ease the use for the reporters so that they can snap a picture and can send the locations of the scenes immediately. For the Ministry of Women Development, we are planning to have a forum and educational purpose of educating the community how to reduce, how to overcome, how they can use these apps to help them in the situations that might be problematic for them. For the cyber commission agencies, it is related to the crimes that are used or crimes that are being crimes that are on the social media, on the cyber world, because it is more easier for them for control the content of the social media and other cyber related. For non-government organization, this is for the partnerships that are maybe for the other countries that they are not so depending to the government actions. They want to take their own initiative, so our applications can do so.
In terms of commercialization, we will recommend these systems to use by government. So we will do an
this application. The user of the application is for public, women and also men.
Moreover, for novelty, this system is not available in Malaysia yet, but only a website present. Sorry, I accidentally mentioned. Okay. For example, it's not available in my country yet, because they only provide a website which only contain the phone number of the law enforcement. But with these systems, they will contact directly by using that website. If they don't have, for example, if they don't have credits or whatsoever, but they still have mobile data or Wi-Fi, so they still can connect to the law enforcement to report for abuse.
So in terms of funding this project and innovations, we are planning to approaching to the government agencies so that they can fund some initiative for us to basically use this app as soon as possible, and the action that we taken to this application reports will be immediately. So to ensure this, we need to have the funds that can pay the telephone call if they have trouble with their phones, so that they can report anywhere and everywhere.
How we promote this product? Okay, first by television, second by radio advertisement, and third outreach, and the last one is in social media. We provide we distribute about this application.
In conclusion, we hope that these systems will help